Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 10 latest defense updates. Number 1, enhancing Mirage 2000 capabilities with Scalp EG missiles and Hammer smart bombs. To extend the operational relevance of its Mirage 2000 fleet, the Indian Air Force is planning to integrate advanced munitions currently deployed on its Rafale jets, including the Scalp EG long-range cruise missiles and Hammer precision guided smart bombs. This modernization initiative is aimed at reinforcing the Mirage 2000 capabilities as a frontline fighter until it is phased out over the next decade, by which time the domestically developed Tejas Mk2 is expected to assume a similar role. Next, unveiling plans for advanced jet-powered bombs. JSR Dynamics Private Limited, a leading Indian aerospace and defense company, has announced its ambitious plans to develop a cutting-edge jet-powered bomb. This innovative weapon system is designed to significantly enhance the range and precision of conventional bombs by equipping standard bombs with a powerful jet engine. JSR Dynamics aims to significantly increase their effective range. This engine-assisted propulsion system will enable these munitions to strike targets at great distances, offering strategic advantages on the battlefield. Next, Kalyani's attacks win set stage for global orders. The Kalyani Group has recently emerged as the lowest bidder in the Indian Army's procurement program for the Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System 155 into 52 mm artillery gun, while the Tata Group has been designated as the second lowest bidder. This contract represents a major milestone in India's indigenous defense manufacturing efforts, particularly as ATAGS is poised to become the backbone of India's artillery modernization strategy. Next, proposal of K9 Vajra-based chassis for Indian Army's light tank program. In a recent statement, J.D. Patil, CEO and Managing Director of Larsen & Toubro, revealed that the company initially proposed a K9 Vajra-based chassis for the Indian Army's light tank program. However, the Army opted for a lighter platform weighing around 25 tons, prompting L&T and the DRDO to develop an entirely new chassis for the Zorawar light tank. Next, Sukhoi 30 MKI is the perfect platform for manned-unmanned teaming, that is MUMT. The Indian Air Force has long relied on the Sukhoi 30 MKI as a workhorse in its fighter fleet, thanks to its multi-role capabilities, impressive payload capacities, and combat range. With the upcoming Super Sukhoi upgrade program, the Sukhoi 30 MKI is poised to become a cornerstone in India's adoption of cutting-edge technologies, including man-unmanned teaming. Defense analyst Ranesh Ranjan shared his insights, explaining why this aircraft will be an ideal platform for integrating MUMT capabilities. Next, seeking bids for multi-spectral camouflage nets. The Ministry of Defence, Government of India, has announced its intent to procure 12,056 multi-spectral camouflage nets for deployment in plain and jungle terrains. This acquisition aligns with the MOD's broader strategy to enhance operational camouflage and reduce equipment detectability across various electromagnetic spectrum ranges, thereby bolstering battlefield survivability. The MSCN is a state-of-the-art camouflage solution designed to blend seamlessly with the surroundings environment in different terrains. Its capabilities include suppressing signature across visual infrared, thermal infrared, the radar spectrums, effectively minimizing the chances to detection by enemy surveillance system. When used to conceal critical equipment such as tanks, radars, and other vital assets, the MSCN significantly reduces their recognition probability even under advanced sensor scrutiny. Next, clearance for additional 100 K9 Vajras for Army. The Indian Army is gearing up to further bolster its artillery capabilities with the procurement of 100 additional K9 Vajra self-propelled howitzer guns. Sources indicate that a proposal for the procurement is likely to be presented to the Cabinet Committee on Security soon. Once approved by the CCS, L&T, the Indian partner for the K9 Vajra, will receive a significant order for these advanced artillery systems. The K9 Vajras have already proven their effectiveness in enhancing the Indian Army's firepower along the line of actual control with China and Pakistan. Next, deal signed for air-to-air refueling of military aircraft. Australia and India have signed an arrangement to enable the Royal Australian Air Force and the Indian Armed Forces to conduct air-to-air refueling, a statement by the Australian Defence Ministry said. Minister for Defence Industry and Capability Delivery Pat Conroy MP and Minister of Defence Rajnath Singh announced the arrangement during bilateral discussions on Thursday, as per the statement. Next, ISRO Australian Space Agency signed cooperation pact for human space flight. ISRO on Tuesday said it has signed an implementation agreement with the Australian Space Agency for further strengthening of cooperation in space activities between the two countries. The IA enables cooperation between both space agencies on crew and crew module recovery for Gaganyaan missions, the country's first crewed spaceflight program, it said. The IA was signed by DK Singh, Director Human Space Flight Center on ISRO's side at Bengaluru, and Jarrod Powell, General Manager Space Capability Branch on ASA's side at Canberra on November 20th, the space agency said in a statement. Next, Proba 3 ESA satellite to be launched from Sharon on November 29th. The Indian Space Research Organisation is preparing for the launch of European Space Agency's Proba 3 satellite using its reliable workhorse launch vehicle, that is PSLV, from the Shar range, Sriharikota, on November 29th. The PSLV C-59 is expected to lift off from the first launch pad at the Satish Dhawan Space Center. The preparation for the launch are going underway at Sriharikota, report said. Proba 3 is a dual probe technological demonstration mission by the European Space Agency devoted to high precision formation flying to achieve specific coronagraphy. Thank you.